Standard 6th, Subject English, a wall magazine for your class, Part 1.
Students of 6th A bubbled with enthusiasm all the time, be it sports, hobbies, or studies. This year, they surprised the rest of the school by bringing out a wall magazine. The idea became so popular that soon there were unique wall magazines in almost every class in the school. The class magazine included with stories, puzzles, jokes, science corner, poems and lyrics, etc. After studying all the material, a discussion was held in the class to choose section for their own magazine. It was decided that there would be at least 4 issues of the magazine. The editors, sub-editors, illustrator and writers. Apart from it, there were columns for craft ideas, recipes, science corner. It was duty of the group to collect materials and with the help of the teachers fix and display on the magazine in classroom. Here is the next page on jokes where the students have collected different types of jokes and displayed on the magazine. Example, teacher's dialogue. Valley, why are you late? Valley answers, the train had a flat tire. Another joke by the students. What are the 3 words most often used by students? The teacher asked the class. I don't know, the students answered. That's correct, said the teacher. Why did the teacher wear sunglasses? Because his students were so bright. Teacher, your daughter's only 5 and she can spell her name backward. Wow, that's remarkable. Mother answers, yes, we are very, very proud of her. Teacher, and what is your daughter's name? Mother, Anna. Teacher, I wish you had paid a little attention. Student answered, I am paying as little attention as possible. Dad, how did you find your maths exam? Son, unfortunately, it wasn't lost. Science corner. Why do water tin sheets become hot in the sun but not a tree? Answer to it, the conclusion is water and tin sheets are non-living. When they receive heat, they get heated according to their properties and may even change the state in which they are. Water turns into vapor and even tin sheets melt at very high temperature. They do not make any attempts to cool themselves. But you know that bodies of living things carry out different processes that help them to survive or to adapt to their surroundings. Plants carry out a process called transpiration. In this process, water is absorbed by the roots and is sent up through the stems up to the leaves. On the underside of leaves, there are pores called stomata. Plants use up some of the water they absorb and the rest is given out through these stomata. This process helps plants to cool themselves. Humans also use a similar process to cool themselves. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's sweating. There were columns on the magazine wall like I am confused, please help. My best friend is ignoring me. This year I feel angry and unhappy about it, but I still think of her as my best friend. Why is she doing this to me? I am confused.
please help. And there were solutions given by the seniors to the problems. Another page for the magazine was poems and lyrics. For example, The Little Rose Tree. Every rose on the little tree is making a different face at me. Some look surprised when I pass by, and others droop, but they are shy. These two, whose heads together press, till secrets I could never guess. Some have their heads thrown back to sing, and all the buds are listening. I wonder if the gardener knows, or if he calls each just a rose by Rachel Field. A poem, One Bright Day. One bright day in the middle of the night, two dead soldiers got up to fight. Back to back they faced each other, drew their swords and shot each other. A dead policeman heard the noise and ran to save the two dead boys. If you don't believe this lie is true, ask the blind man, he saw it too.